Guten Tag. Today, we will learn how to count from 11 to 20 in German. Zwölf, zwölf, dreizehn, vierzehn, fünfzehn, sechzehn, which is siebzehn, achtzehn, neunzehn, which is zwanzig. Let's start with 11. In German, 11 is elf. Zwölf, zwölf, zwölf. Moving on to 12, which is zwölf. Zwölf, zwölf, zwölf. Next up is 13, which dreizehn. Dreizehn, dreizehn, dreizehn. Now, let's learn 14, which is vierzehn. Vierzehn, vierzehn, vierzehn. Moving on to 15, which is fünfzehn. Fünfzehn, fünfzehn, fünfzehn. Now, let's learn 16, which is sechzehn. Sechzehn, sechzehn, sechzehn. Next up is 17, which is siebzehn. Siebzehn, siebzehn, siebzehn. Moving on to 18, which is achtzehn. Achtzehn, achtzehn, achtzehn. Now, let's learn 19, which is neunzehn. Neunzehn, neunzehn, neunzehn. And finally, we have 20, which is zwanzig, which is zwanzig, which is zwanzig, which is zwanzig. Practice these numbers to become fluent in counting from 11 to 20 in German. Danke fürs Zuschauen. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more language learning videos. Tschüss.